guys, I'm going to teach you how to make the GIF file in Canva. It's very easy. Just go to elements, very easy and very fast. Aeroplanes, you can select, it depends on your speed of internet. Okay, I take this one. Resize the aeroplane and just you can start from somewhere here. Yes, just copy and paste the slide. Copy paste the slide and change the position of aeroplane. Just change the position of aeroplane and okay, that's all. And now you just select here one slide and in the top you can see edit timing. Just select and select the option apply to all changes, to all the pages of the file, and here you can change by 2. Alright, apply to all pages and duration here, just date, it will be something like this. Now you just go to here and choose download. From the file type you can select GIF. Okay. Again, for file size you can select GIF and download. That's all. So you can check the output of this in Internet Explorer also. So this is taking a little while because my internet speed is not very good. Aeroplane one, GIF file, save. You can open it and test it. Indeed, you have in GIF. This is the file. So this is what you made. It's very easy, you know. It's very easy to make it in from. So I guess you like this one. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much.